Hello, hello. Hello everyone. Good morning. This is your simple and fun family, everyone. Today I go walking, everyone. I give to the ducks the bread, the wild ducks in the river. Let's go. We go together, everybody. I do not comb my hair, everyone. It's okay. I do not wear a coat. 23 degrees today. I hope I do not feel cold. We will see, everybody. Samahan niyo po ako, everyone. Let's go. We go together. Wait, everybody, kay I like to bring the I do not bring the hair clip. It's okay. I have mango for my hair. But I do not comb my hair. Very basa pa my hair. Oy, very basa pa. Magdasa tagtrapo para ilong ya. Kay magtubig yung ilong li sa liter ya. Si Piggy is just finished the shower. Now it's time to rock and roll, ha? 23 degrees to everybody. Walay panudlay si Lisa, oy. Hapo-hapon na ni akong buhok, everyone, oy. Hapo-hapon na lang ya. Anaon na lang, oy. Taon man nga, manudlay tani nga bawal man manudlay nga. Basa pa kayo mong buhok nga humok pa kayo imong diri. Mga larag imong buhok sa mot, oy. Dapat manudlay ka kanang dry na jud imong buhok para dili daghang mga larag buhok nimo ya. Sus, Diyos ko, everybody. Saon man, everyone. Until pa when I'm back, is getting dry my hair. When I'm back, yeah. Because it's still very wet, yeah. It's time to rock and roll, everybody. Let's go. We go to the ducks. We give the duck, we have to give bread. Let's go, everyone. We go together. Together and forever. I open my hair, open a little bit. Kaya I own already. Kaya sometimes I forgot, yeah. Let's go, everybody. Let's go to rock and roll. I hope I have a anay. It's not to it. I have to bring something, everyone, cause the anay di na rin mabutang ako. Oy, kaya ang ako ang power bank is already in my. We have to bring this one, everyone, kaya mutukar niya akong kuan. Little bit ubo. Ani ato ang mintulya. Let's go. What is the time now? Uy, almost 9 o'clock, everybody. Almost 9. 1 hour only, everyone. I have to go 1 hour only. My husband will come in the lunchtime and my daughter. I don't know what I have to cook. I don't know. I don't know. I adjust everyone my everybody. Samahan niyo po ako, everyone. Walay panudlay si Lisa. So, So, let's go everyone. Let's go together. Forever. Dude, igalya. It's okay. The important is I have to go. I have a bread. I have to give to the ducklings. Yeah. Dahil basa pa kung buhok. Uy, gato pa eh. Basa pa may hair. Uy. My hair, very basa. So, we have to put in the view everyone, ha? It's not direct in my piece. Panudlay. Very quiet, yeah. I like this side, everyone, yeah. I like this side. Got a little bit low, my walk, yeah. We will take 1 hour over here. Yes, the kiddos is in the school, everyone. The children, the kiddos, yeah, is in the school. I hope di ma-turn off na akong mic. Uy, kadiyo, or ba yun ako ikuan? Charge. I charge this one very quick only, yeah. When I make a shower. Just only quickly, yeah. It's nice weather today, everybody. 23 degree today. Tomorrow I make shopping, everyone. Tomorrow. We go this side, yeah. No, I do not go upstairs, everyone. Here na lang I because there is a private. Take it. Last time I was there in the wrong way. There's no more way there na. No, no way. No more walay dalan everyone wala no. The bread only and water is inside my knapsack. Very quiet. The area of the playing kinder. Very quiet. Everybody will go in the school. It's very quiet, everyone. There's only me walking. Yeah, that is the playing area of the children. That is from municipal. You can play football there. Oh, look. Oh, very nice. Oh. Very clean. They will cut already the grass. Yeah. Very nice, everyone. Yeah. So nice. It's Spielplatz. That everyone, the name of that Spielplatz. Playing area. Yeah. In Deutsch is the Spielplatz. Oh, that is for the playing area. Here. Neuenhof. Yeah. Here. Ah, last time when my children is very small. I make it duyan there. Oh, duyan. Duyan. Yeah. Very nice, everybody. Nobody is there. Later after lunch, and some children is the play in the after lunch. Many children there and the parents, yeah. There. Very nice, everyone. Look at that, guys. Very nice. Very big playing area. There. You can do what you like. Yeah. Sitting, eating chips, drinking. There. Ah, so nice, yeah. That is our view here, everybody. Very nice, guys, yeah. So, we have to go. We have to continue, yeah. Continue to the one, yeah. The time is very quick, yeah. Let's see. YouTube Zeit, ja. Das ist meine Zeit. Building, no? Very high building. Very high. I like to go this side, everyone, yeah. I do not go to my daughter. My daughter today is in the playing area. I do not go in the playing area because they can see that with me there, yeah. Not allowed, everyone. If you make a video to the kinder, is not allowed. First, you have to ask to the parents if it's okay or not. That is the style, yeah. Look at that, oh, building, oh. The mailbox downstairs. Very mini. Very brand new. Brand new, mahala. Very expensive, yeah. Na dry na me. When I'm back na, I have to make my hair, yeah. No time. I have to take the time, yeah. Morning everyone. 9 o'clock I start to walk ya. Cause 30 minutes by 8:30 I make a shower. 30 minutes I make a shower and then after that go direct na. No time. So my daughter as well. So I have to do it, yeah. That is my style, everyone. When the kiddos go in the slowly also, yeah. People is quote normal quote 23 degrees. Yeah. Quote as quote. Student go with a bike, yeah. Very quiet, everybody. Kindergarten school. It is a kindergarten. Inside the kinder, why is inside a nice weather? Weather will go walking around on the playing first. That's the stadium, everyone. The pupils is studying about the student, yeah. But they will take the time forest, in the forest, in the shadow, yeah. My daughter as well. Sometimes they will go in the forest and make a grill there, yeah. Sausage. Yeah. Kutasan ang pigi everyone. Uy, wala pa matay 30 minutes. Uy, kutasan na jud ik. 70 minutes pa man I have. Kutas na. If I start for a little bit early, there in the house, 20 minutes, I will start when I go. That is my style. Useless if I start and you cannot see what I am doing. Now you see now what I am doing here. Now you see now everyone. You see now what I am doing here. Yeah. Look the house there. Oh. Very quiet. Quietly. Wala ko tanawag sa nila. So I have to comb my hair in the house only. Do not bring the comb. There's no more time. I'm busy. Go to the other side, everyone. I like to be in the shadow, everybody. Danke. I say thank you. Stop your automatic. When the police saw you, I go. No more license. The license, the police will get ya. When you are in the line, in the yellow line, automatic stop, everyone. If you do not stop, the police will get the license. Yeah. Kay, many people's angry. Agoy last. Last time everyone. Oh, last time. Look, over. Over yesterday. I pulled down. No more house now. There is no more house. Yeah, it's pulling down already. My God, what a quick. Because in the Schweiz, everyone is nice flowers. Oh. And Switzerland is the time is money. Yeah, time is gold. Yeah, here take the time. Yeah, because the time here is money. Everyone. Walay tulog-tulog here everyone. Nahanglan yung mag trabaho. Walang tulugan. Bawal. Because the time here is money. Yeah. Eh, nah, nangulbo na akong buhok ng sugod. Oh. Getting dry a little bit now. In the house na I have to come. Ah, my son said, Ma, today you go out good weather. You make you plug today. Kabi said, yeah, I make a plug hoit today. Make quietly, everybody very quiet. Yeah. It's nice to walk in the shadow. In the shadow, not direct in the sunny. Yeah. Ay, sural gini vloggers ah. Di mahalo na. Yeah. May look nas my here. Yeah. It's wonderful weather. Heute. Very nice weather today, everyone. Enjoy it. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, everyone. Lingi ko sa iyo, everyone. Kaya di hay laking kasunod ako. Ang si Manoy kasunod na. Unsa man bayana nga sikir man bayana og kuan. Talking. Let's see. Here is my son. So when he go work, he will go over there. Yeah. You have to go in the shadow, everybody. Eh? I like to go in the shadow. Because I have allergy of the sun. The sun will loves with me. Why is direction the sun? I like sun, but the problem is I have allergy of the sun. Problem. Very dry skin I have. Last time, mini dog, yeah. Maybe the dog is relaxing. Go out already. A lot of building, yeah. Apartment so many. I ate already one slice, everyone. Pizza. Pizza cheese margarita, yeah. One slice. It's not many. Yeah. I hope there is the, yeah, for sure there is the ducks, everyone, yeah, the wild ducks. Yeah. We have to give bread. We gave the bread. Kay, last week I do not give, yeah. Now today I have to give, yeah. Namiss ko ang mga duck, eh. Namiss ko sila. Ay, tomorrow my honey helping there in the boots clubs, yeah. He has to help there. Preparing the taste cover. All, yeah. There is the two. All do. Yeah. Very nice to exercise in the morning, yeah. It's not in the afternoon, everyone. Yesterday, raining, yeah. Visa also 50% up. I'm tired. Time to go. Everyone, Lisa slowly. Guys, I have to go when it's nice weather. You know, one have a video there. Have mukring, yan ang video din na. I'm scared. There is the video. Yeah. Asa naman yung mga inti. Ay da. I gave here or there downstairs. I don't know. I like to give there downstairs. Di piring. Ang niya in the water ulo ko. Because man there, oh. Ito brog. Brog that elk. Yeah. 12. 12, I think it's 12, yeah. Is 11 going to Araw, yeah. I don't know. There kay ma-pull down si Lisa. Relaxing, sir, relaxing. Yes, only relaxing everyone, ora. Relax only. The other train, everyone da. Going to Zurich. Going to Zurich with everybody. Going to Zurich, bye. Da, relaxing the inti na. Ay, dadax, oy. I do not disturb. Is lanting. An hour, I can put my camera. Ma-pull down in the... Getting dry my hair very quick. Very quick. But still wet in the under the in my hair, yeah. Getting dry in the top, yeah. We are beside the river, everybody. Please enjoy it, everyone. Enjoy it. It's very nice here, everybody. Very nice here, everyone. Enjoy it. Yeah. Hinahanglan po tayo mag-enjoy and the outside is very nice, fresh air. Yeah. There inside in the house is still hot, yeah. Dry air. So we have to must be enjoy it. It's a very important in the health, yeah. The other train there. We will stop there in the waiting in Banhop, yeah. The boat's club, the boat of Mayhani is there. The boat of Mayhani is there. But everyone, tomorrow Mayhani 5 o'clock is there helping. They prepare a table, yeah. I see a little bit ubo. What is the time now? What is the wait, 32 per minutes we are 32. It's not para 40 minutes, yeah. It's okay, everyone. Have a time. There is the one crowd. The lady of Aruga Mall. You have to go. Everyone, I like in the shadow. Forgot to see you. See. Sit hallelujah. Great. The great is means hello. That is a style here. You have to say hello. Yeah. There is a student who go boot everyone. That's why here is open, yeah. There is, yeah. There is the other train, everybody. Other train. Old train. Look at that, everyone. Oh, very nice, the view. What a nice. You can hit like that, or panorama, like that. It's a wonder, beautiful, beautiful. So sure. There is a co-op everyone da. Guys, to the other side is shopping also the store over there. The building there you saw, that is a shopping store also. Yeah. Co-op, Firmik, Undik. Hi God, what a nice, yeah. Wunderbar. Wunderschön. Beautiful means everyone beautiful. The nature is beautiful. Hi, what a nice, yeah. I do not come with my husband because we are mini talking there. Agkoroy, ag ubong Lisa. Tukar akong ubo na everybody. Oy. Look na. So nice. Under the tree is so very nice. Yeah. It's not direct in the sun. I don't. It's fresh. It's cold a little bit. Yeah. In the sun, agoroy. The sun will hurt me. Hit me. Mag allergy sa Lisa in the sun. Yeah. Dry man. Dry. Dry skin. Yeah. Hi, next week na my birthday. Everyone, Tuesday. Tibuok na Lisa. Tibuok na. Mountain bike, mas man lang udah. May habong sa electro bike, kaya very fast. Eh. Kuya, ma-pull down to eh. Wa ako stand akong mountain bike. Stand. That's I have, but very quick. I am. Let's see. Walking is the best, yeah, the best. Walking. Because your body is the straight. If you are sitting, agoroy, kuya, eating back more big in my stomach. No, only sitting. No. This is walking, everyone. I like walking. Then I have a good sleep in the evening. Yeah. Yeah, we are so under a in the under a bridge. Very nice. Yeah, very nice. There's only the truck on the auto. Beautiful. What a nice. We are not so long here because the mini truck and auto here, everyone. Oh, mini will pass. Luis, yeah. Look, we are under the bridge, everybody. We will pass here. So, we have to be continue, everyone. It's it. My house up, yeah. Everyone, I think it's a. I think relaxing. Nice. We will stop here. There is the anybody there is sitting. Yeah. We look for the other down there. Yeah. I don't know. I make in the live in my birthday or not. I don't know. I am not sure. Yeah. Very nice. There a bridge, everyone. There is a traffic, everyone. Hi. 43 minutes. We are. Yes, very nice. Very fresh mind if you go walking beside the river is very nice. I'm very happy. Yeah. Because you think about ocean, everyone. The river, you think about an ocean that is not a river only. There is a subscribers with me also English. Understand. A classmate by do. He doesn't understand my language. No. Understand English. Yeah. Throat. Nanglan tayo. Yeah. I have to drink water little. Yeah. My throat is little bit dry now. The train is always in forever. It's always a train, everyone. Yeah. Look the nature, everybody. Oh, very nice. So nice nature. Yeah. See, so you have to make like that, yeah. You have to be respect. Respect. Here is the man with the dog, everyone. You have to be take care, yeah, because some people doesn't like to be staring. You have to be careful always, yeah. Wah, kutasan si Piggy na everybody, oy. Kutasan. Yeah. We go further downstairs, everyone. Yeah. We will see if there is the intimidator down over there. So I do not go by it. There is just only there over there, yeah. But I like in the shadow, everyone. Oy. Without shadow, I'm very tired, yeah. We have to booking. We have to be continue. Continue, yeah. Later, I make back my hair. I died. Na-dry na. It's really cold, yeah. It's if you like, you can sit here. Oh. You can sit down here. Oh. You can sit here. Oh. Look, very nice, yeah. You have to continue, everyone. I have to give bread to the ducks, yeah. Disturbing the tree, everybody, oy. I cannot bring you direct in the river. There is a lot of trees, yeah. The tree is disturbing, yeah. We cannot. I'm very sorry, everyone. The the trees is covered of the river. Building of the old, everyone. Oh. Building of the old, yeah. That is the yeah. Old is there, yeah. Check in. Live there, yeah. But from retirement is just only to payment of that, yeah. So wanna care, yeah. The home of the old, yeah. $7,000. There in the payment of the who wanna take care of the old, yeah. Very expensive there, yeah. That's why there's only not many people they go there. Some only if the children of the old doesn't like to take care, tired, so anybody will take care. But the pension is direct na there. Bayad all there, yeah. Very to here, yeah. Expensive. Like that, mother of my husband is like that, yeah. Until she's dead, yeah. Like that. Expensive. No more hair, hair is everyone, yeah. Oh, I hear about. The man is cleaning the garden, yeah. Oh, every garden here, everyone has a plant, have owner. The rent, tati, the rent. Nothing for free. It's nice, yeah. Yeah. So quiet, guys, yeah. Yes, only me is here. Yeah, it's fish. Fish, yeah. Small, yeah. There, garden, everyone, oh. Ah, mini plant now, yeah. Oh, mini plant, yeah. Very nice. Very nice garden, yeah. That is one of the people in the apartment there. Live in the apartment. They will rent the garden, yeah. Puktas na up and down, oy. Pahit lang jud ya. Puktas everywhere, ay. Ay. Nah, it's a train again, oh. Train will pass everyone. Going to Zorek, that's Zorek. Train station, yeah. Yeah, timing nga, it's train awin. We have to go this. Go down again, everybody. There, go up. Yeah. We have to give bread here. The duckling, yeah. The ducklings, they're relaxing. I hope it's hungry that, yeah. Sometimes in the morning, it's not hungry, everyone. The ducks, yeah. It's zipping. We have to give. We give, yeah. Nobody is here, everybody. Relaxing, man, ducklings. Ay, hello, ducklings. Do you like to eat breads? Relaxing, everyone. We have to give here, everybody, the bread. We give, yeah. Where I can put my camera, oy. I like to put down, everyone. Yeah. We will give bread, everybody. The ducklings, everyone. We have bread. Come. Maatas na itong buhok, eh. Magbaat sa tas hair, kay. Disturbing my hair, eh. I have to give here. I have to give also over there, everyone, yeah. Koy, there is about people walking, oh. Disturbing na, oy. Ako'y student, again, everybody. Student. Students, oh. Students. Mini student, everyone. Mini. It's in Finland. It's in Finland. Come. Chai, many student, everyone pass here. Yeah. So many student will pass here. Yeah. Ah, look, everybody. Oh, I give you bread. Oh, ah. You give bread, everyone. Bread. I have to give. This one, everyone, is very good, everyone. Oh, it's not hard. Oh, look, oh, soap bread. Come on. Eat yet, come. Eating bread. Very happy, everybody. Very happy. I give bread. Yeah. I have to continue, everyone. I still have bread. I have to continue to over there. I give to the others as well because there is a mini there to the other side also. I hope there is, yeah. Come. Many student, everybody. 30 student, everyone, yeah. Will pass here, yeah. Come, you have to eat later. You don't have power. And then later you have power later. Oh, oh, oh. No more na. I have to go to continue to the other side because there is to the other side, everyone. I give to the other side as well. So I have to clean my nose every once in a while. Clean a little bit nose, yeah. So let's go, everybody. To the other side over there. Uh, the ducks there, yeah. See. Paningo si Lisa. We will go enjoy it, everybody. Let's go to the other side. We have to give bread, everyone. There is the other as well to the other side. Before we go home, we have to give bread. After that, I give everyone, I have to go home, yeah. Because I need to prepare the lunch. butasin everybody. Oy. Very nice in the shadow, guys. Yeah. So nice. There is coming oil partner niya. Ay. You have to be continue, everyone. I do not make it in my PC, bro. Like that, yeah. The train is there, yeah. It's a lieutenant. Yeah. The train is upstairs there. Later, you walk over there upstairs. Ah, very nice, everyone. Oh, look, oh. What a beautiful day. It's a beautiful day today. Ah, excuses, everyone. Gawas lagi, ya. Yeah. Beautiful, yeah. Look at that. Yeah. Very nice, everybody. Yeah. Continue ta. You have to give to the India, the ducks, bread. Ta, gawas lagi ang dirty sa throat ya. Unsa man ni siya oy? Murahag kalbasa pero di man na siya kalbasa oy, lahi man na siya oy. Yeah. Very quiet, everyone. Very quiet. I'm only here alone. Already walking past already here. It's only me na. Yeah. Yeah. You have to make it past almost 1 hour na. Almost 1 hour. Oh, 1 hour na, everyone. 1 hour na. Because it's nice to share ba. Share to the other ducks ya. Because when anybody is there, I cannot do it. I have to go for the free bank ya, the bank dira. Bangko. Patay. Wala, may ducklings here. Ada. Here is the black. Yeah. Come on. The black batasan again, everybody. We do not go only for away. Only here, only here. Come on. I will give you ya. I give you bread. Don't go far away. Just only here. Boom. He like also, he doesn't like in the water, the other one. He doesn't like in the water. I will give also a little bit here. You have to give this one because that is the bread that are remaining with me, everybody. I don't like to throw. But it's still okay this one, everyone. It's still okay this one. You can still eat it, yeah. Mm. Mas pasan na to everyone kay da my daughter and my husband will go home for a lunch. Go home for a lunch. That is the black everyone, oh. The black, the wild duck. Wild ducks, yeah. I don't know where is the swan. It's not the swan here. It must be over there, I think. It's not here. Apurut. Kibat. One. Nahog na may handi everyone. Nahog na. To everybody. Remove ang sila. Sorry everyone. Cellphone is hulog. Hulog. Ay ay ay. Ya toy man oy. Hindi na have to go now. Kaya nahog akong cellphone oy. I'm moving with everyone. I'm sorry ya. Nahulog. Ako lang ihatag tanan kay basin ug naay mari di ay unya nga into. Ducks ya. Nilakaw naman ang tulo ka buok wild the back one. It must be over there, I think, yeah. Not here. So, we have to throw everyone, yeah. Plastic, yeah. I will throw now and then we go home, yeah. I go home slowly. We throw na everybody. Plastic, everyone, I have to throw. Nahulog pa jud oy. Nahulog ang cellphone everybody oy. Siya na po. Uli na po tayo everyone. Slowly go home, Lisa now. Slowly. Mahadlo ko ako ra usa everybody oy. I'm alone. We have to go home slowly everyone. Guys, I'm Pinito na over there guys. Oh, Pinito na there in the river. Now it's time to go. Yeah. Scared everyone. I'm alone. Yeah. I'm alone. People pass only. Yeah. It's not stop. Just only me. Yeah. Magtasan si Piggy. I'm alone. Yeah. Yeah. Takas sa butas buntod everyone. Sige lang. Slowly only. Slowly. Ay. Nahug pa dyan akong cellphone oy. Nahug akong cellphone. Maayo rin ka mga buak. Ay, utasan. Masakas ibabaw buntod. Oy. Eh. Slowly lang tayo everybody. Kaya kutasin na. Kutas. We have to make bitter. Sakan tas buntod everyone. Padung sa taas. In the top, in the up. We have to go slowly cause nobody is there. Oy. I'm alone. Yeah. 1 hour over everybody. The nature's very nice, yeah. Yeah, now we are downstairs everyone. River, Agi, Argao. Oh, the train again, oh. The train. Train will pass, yeah. Going to Surik everyone, yeah. Da, wild berries everyone da. Many people will get here, oh. Wild berries da, namunga na. Very nice, yeah. That is the wild, good for morning eating, yeah. With milk. Wild himberry. Yeah. We go back na everybody, eh. Slowly. Now we are downstairs everyone, and the river. The river is over there down, yeah. We go home now. Slowly and Lisa go home. Back to the house na. I like to the shadow everybody. Shadow. Ay, I'm very sorry. My cellphone. Very quiet everyone. Quietly. So we go to the other side. Okay. Hi, very nice to walk in the shadow, everyone. So nice in the shadow, guys. Yeah, we are in the other side now, everyone. It's not to the other side. Different side we are now. It's not the same. We walk on the area. There is a task on the other side. I don't like here only. It's nice, yeah. It's allowed everybody. If there is outdoor, then we have to walk beside. Nice house, everyone. That guy's always nice, yeah. Very nice, yeah. Very quiet. The house that everyone have a CCTV, everyone, yeah. Have a camera. Yeah, very quiet. Ay, we go now without chatting everybody. We have to go now at 10 o'clock over. Prepare for the lunch. Ten o'clock na. Over. We are almost in the house, everyone. Almost now. Hi, almost with everybody in the house, yeah. So, we are back now. Yeah, I'm back now, everyone, yeah. I have to prepare for the lunch, yeah. So, thank you, Lord. I'm here now. Ah, I praise the Lord. Hallelujah. Thanks, God. I'm here. Ah, eh, ah, Kutasan lagi pigi everybody. Kutasan lagi. Kutasan lagi pigi ya. Wait. Tasa oy. Very nice everyone ya. The weather today is perfect ya. Perfect. Very perfect the weather today. I'm very happy ya. When is the weather like that, I'm very happy. I take off my shoes everybody ha. Wait guys, I take off my shoes ya. Kaya magbababay na po ako. Because of that, I have to prepare the lunch. Yeah. Tasado. At least I will go. I was in the narabasa ako everybody oh. I was in the walking today. Walking today nahulog ang kamera. Kaya moving was Lisa ya hulog ya. Ay, Diyos ko God. Ay. Very nice my walking everyone. Very nice. I am very happy. I'm very happy. Dali Lisa kay agkoy ang sun 23 degree today. It's getting more and more hot ya. That's why I will go now after give bread in the ducks ya. Go home direct ya. Yeah, I cannot go direct in the sun everyone. I need a shadow. Shadow ya. Because my piece is I like to scratch ya. When is the strong sun ya. Drink sa tayo everybody. Oy, mag-drink sa tayo kay sus. Kailangan tayong mag-drinks oy. Ay, thirsty na. Thirsty. Uhaw ang pigi oy. Uhaw. Ang pigi giuhaw. Kapuya. Ano po ka di po ka masira oy. Cheers everyone. I'm thirsty now ya. Na. Ala tong bubbles everyone oh. Bubbles oh. Magbuwa ra tong ilong ani everybody ya. Yeah. What a nice walking I have. It's very nice if every day I make it like this. So very nice yeah. I am very happy everyone yeah. Magbababay na po ako everybody. Overtime na tayo everybody. Over na ya. Mataas na. Long now ya. Bye everyone. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel everybody. Like and share everyone to my YouTube channel and also to my Facebook page. Bye. Have a nice day to all. Take care all of you. Next week is my birthday. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Like and share. Bye-bye. Bye everyone. See you for the next vlog. Bye-bye.